Hello, my name is Leo, and this is for my IIT 4960 class at Indiana Tech Global Issue Seminar. For Module 1, I am going to be doing a video in regard to the question of what is a global issue, right? So, what is a global issue? We're taught that a global issue is a social, economic, health, political, or environmental issue, but it's much bigger on a broader scale, right? So it's not something that is impacting us at Indiana Tech, at Fort Wayne. It's not something that's impacting us in Indiana or the United States. It's an issue that impacts the entire globe, whether it's North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. A global issue is on a much broader scale, and it's something that we are not able to tackle by ourselves, a single country. It is something that takes a collaborative effort of many governments, of many people to be able to identify the problem, to be able to create solutions for the problem, and what is the best way to go about sharing that information and bringing awareness to that issue. So a global issue is different from a social issue in the sense that it's impacting the world on a much broader scale. A social issue might be, why are the Kardashians why are the Kardashians, why is the show not rated #1 on TV? A social issue might be in regard to something that's being something happening on Michigan Lake, one of the lakes. It's not impacting the world on a global level, on a global scale, but it is something that is impacting a regional it is something that is impacting a region. So I think that choosing an issue that I think is global would be hunger, clean water. These are some of the global issues that we can see have huge impacts in other countries and in poverty-stricken countries, developing countries. Access to quality food, access to clean water, I think sometimes is the source of some of the issues, right? Unfortunately, our diets are not the healthiest. Fast food is filled with processed food, and studies show that stuff is making us sick. It's slowly killing us, and it's not something that we're going to be able to tackle anytime soon. There's a process, there are politics involved, and it's up to the people to be able to identify the issue, bring the issue to light, have awareness on it, and find ways of being able to tackle the issue so that we can have better quality food, so that we are growing vegetables, fruits without using pesticides, without having to spray chemicals, nasty, chemicals and bringing disease. So it is something that I think it is a global issue. We do export quite a bit of food, but if the food that we are exporting is not quality food, then we're sort of making other people sick as well too, right? Obesity is a huge issue within America. Is it a global issue? Maybe not, but it is an issue that we find ourselves here in the States. I know that obesity is on the rise, and it part of the reasons are because the quality of our food is just not great. So how can we be better about educating ourselves, educating others, and making sure that our food quality is being held to a standard that is healthy, that is helping us achieve healthy diets. And then how are we able to also establish clean water and making sure that people have drinkable, non-polluted water and have the access to that. So I think that these are some of the global issues that many countries, again, are tackling. That's what makes it a global issue, when many countries are fixated on a solution to try to help their citizens, to try to help other citizens the best way that they can. So this is what we're going to be talking about here in IIT 4960 Global Issue Seminar. This is the assignment for Module 1 on what is global issues. I look forward to being able to share more information on this through videos in the near future. Thank you. Have a good one.